rumor is that we're likely to get Canelo Alvarez versus Jermall Charlo. Is that something that you're looking forward to?
Nah, I thought it was Canelo versus
Badu Jack?
Badu Jack.
Eddie Hearn comes out and says that Charlo is going to be next.
Wow, I ain't even hear that one yet, but that'll be great, man. I think it's a little too late for Canelo to fight a Charlo or someone like that. A Badu Jack would been a good choice for Canelo, but a Charlo, nah.
Charlo's coming off a 2-year layoff, though, right?
Yeah, but shit, he's still young. He's still a baby. You know what I'm saying? He still got that fire. You know what I'm saying? He know what he wants. Canelo hit the plateau. Canelo just surfing. You know what I'm saying? Canelo just riding the waves. You know what I'm saying? He already been above the wave. Now he's just sitting on the floor. It's about money now for Canelo, I think, and they ain't gonna get it with a Charlo.
Word is that the site is Houston. I don't know if it's going to be in Rocket Stadium or Astro Stadium. What kind of event is that? Like, you know, you got the Mexicans and then you got the black dudes from Houston. That should be crazy.
That'd be crazy.
Would you slide?
Hell yeah, man. Hopefully I can have somebody on that card. I was actually, I was on the borderline of having somebody on Boots next card. But I think I'm going to turn that down. So, you know, I'm going to be in the building anyway.
You're definitely a busy man. Like, if you're picking Charlo, how does it end? Decision? Because, you know, nobody's never knocked Canelo down.
Yeah, I think Charlo stopped him. Yeah. From the last Canelo I seen, he just looked like he just in there. You know what I mean? He ain't looking to dominate. He ain't looking to knock nobody out. He just in there. You know what I mean? I think he old. That tired of boxing been in too long. Cause I remember he was boxing pro since he was 15 years old. Long time. And he been up the top. He been in there with the best of the best. You know what I'm saying? It's done. You better leave them young boys alone, boy.